Today we're looking at perfecting your past tense, and I'm going to look at irregular verbs today, because if you are a subscriber to my channel you will see there's already a past tense video learning the ed suffix, so regular past tense verbs. So today we're going to look at irregular verbs. Welcome to my channel. My name is Margaret. Let's go. So I've got on the front screen the verb of be, and in the past tense, was or were. So I was, you were, he, she or it was, they were, we were, you all were. Okay? So maybe if you write those down in the different pronouns, first, second and third person and plural form, you'll be able to see the pattern in the past tense spelling. Okay? Here's our first word then. Dig. Dig is present tense. Dug. So that's the ug sound. Dug. Past tense. The man dug a hole for the tree. Stick. Present tense. Stuck is the past tense. Uck. Stuck. This person got gum stuck to their shoe. Stuck to their shoe. Break. Present tense. Broke. That's the awk sound. My pencil broke this morning. Wake, to wake up. Past tense, woke up. So there's another awk, same as broke. I woke up early for school. Shake. I shake a bottle, present tense. I shook. I shook the bottle to mix my drink. So maybe you've got a protein drink or a milkshake. You shook the bottle to mix your drink. Drink. Present tense. Drank is past tense. I drank my chocolate after I shook it. So there's drank and shook, both in past tense. Have. Past tense, had. I had a great time today. So maybe one of the children are speaking. I had a great time today. We had a great time today. It's the same. Eat. Past tense, ate. So that's the split digraph sound of a. We ate our lunch at school. Lose. Present tense, lost. I lost my pen in the office, so I used my iPad or my laptop. I lost my pen in the office. To think. Present tense. Past tense, thought. That's the ought sound. Very tricky spelling for that one. Thought. Present tense, what do you think? Past tense, thought. I thought that was a great lesson. And I hope you did too. Thank you for watching today. I really hope you enjoyed this lesson on past tense irregular verbs. Watch out for next week. There's a story in the past tense coming soon. So if you want to have a look at that, subscribe to my channel and then you'll see it pop up next week. Bye bye for now. Thanks for watching.